You have just edited an APK file with APK Editor, but when you click on Install, you are automatically redirected to the editing page, which prevents you from installing the application. In this video, we will see how to solve this problem. For this, open the Files Manager app and click on Internal Storage. Now click on the APK Editor folder and then on the TMP folder. Then click on the APK file named gensign.apk. Click on Settings. And finally check Allow from this source. Then go back and click on Install. Once the application is installed, all you have to do is open it.